guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow makeup look. I've already done pretty much everything except eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, and lips because I was going to keep everything else the same as my normal routine. So if you want to see how I did all that, go watch my Get Ready With Me and follow along. I'm going to keep it very budget friendly today just because I know not everybody has a lot of monies to be spending on makeup. Of course, for this tutorial, you do not have to use the exact same products I'm using, nor do you have to use the same tools or anything like that. You can kind of make it your own if you want. I've already done my foundation, my primer, my concealer. I have contoured and done blush and highlight in my brows, and I put on some chapsticks. So we are ready to go. So first I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. blending brush. It is a flathead fluffy brush, and this Wet n Wild singlet in creme brulee. I'm going to go all over my lid. So next I'm actually going to be using the e.l.f. contour palette as my eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to be going in with this lighter brown mixed with a little bit of the darker brown just to give me some shading. I'm going to use the e.l.f. contour brush and this shade Hazelnut from my Mary Kay Pro palette that I have created. And I'm going to kind of just pack it into the crease as well. You can use the crease brush if you'd like. So now I'm going to take this flat concealer brush. I got this on eBay, a pack of 10 for like $4. You can use pretty much any brush. I'm pretty sure e.l.f. makes one. That'd be really good as well. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. pigment eyeshadow. It is in the color Golden Goddess. What I'm going to do is just dump a little bit out into the lid. Take my brush, kind of pat it down. I'm going to be taking it, putting it all over my lid. Careful, you can see this has a lot of fallout. Now I'm going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and just kind of blend my inner corner a little bit and try to take away some of the fallout. Also going to go back in with the e.l.f. crease brush in that same dark brown and kind of pack it in there really good. Alright, so now I'm going to take the same flat brush that I used earlier, this Wet n Wild singlet in brass. I'm just going to like scrape off a ton of the glitter and just pack it on my lid. I'm going to take a flat smudge brush and the darker shade once again from the e.l.f. palette, kind of go down on my lower lash line and just go about halfway. Okay, so this next step is completely optional, but I'm going to take the limited edition Mary Kay gel liner. I'm going to be using the lighter color. Just lining where you put the gold glitter from Wet n Wild. Just line that on your lid. And then I'm going to drag it up a little bit onto my actual lid as well. Another alternative to this for those of you who are not able to obtain it, since it was limited edition, would be the e.l.f. gel glitter liner. Next I'm going to be taking my Mary Kay eyeliner pen. You can use any eyeliner you want. I would definitely recommend sticking with a pen though, so I would recommend the e.l.f. one. I believe it's about $3. But I'm just going to line my upper lash line. I'm going to take my Maybelline Rocket Mascara make my lashes longer. So next I'm going to take my Milani Amore lip cream in the color 12 Loved, and I'm going to apply that. You could use any lip color you would like. I just prefer this one because it's my favorite right now. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. I just applied my Milani lip cream and I blotted some off like always. And yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoy this look today. It's super quick, super easy, super simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share with your friends if you want. When you subscribe, be sure to click the little bell icon and also check out my social media. Links will be in the description below. Alright, bye!
When we were young, so